Hi, welcome back to the next part, building a car. Today we make a speedometer in Blender. So we start. We need all these numbers. So we go add. Oh, I'll make you screencast keys on. So, okay, good. Add text. Then rotate x 90 degrees. So you see it from front. With tab, you can go in and type there something. So we need a 20, so we try the 20. Then we make a copy of that, Shift D. It is behind the texture, you must have it in front. When you have this number now, you can change it with tab. Then you type in 40. So we make it for all numbers. That is 60. Then Shift D, duplicate them. Type in 80. And so on. I don't speak now. I make that and then we can go on. Then we also need it on not only this side, we need it on this side too. So we make a copy of the Shift D for the 20, one for the 30, one of the 60. Then we only need to make the 0, 10, 30, 50, and 70. So we do that. Okay. Then we see there are some numbers 2, 5, 7, 9, 11. So we make 11. So we make them 2 or 5. Copy, tab, go back, type 7, tab to go out, Shift D, tab, backboard, type in, tab backboard, ready. Good. We have that. Then we see we have here the zeros, so we copy one of them. I tell you later why. Then we need the 9, Shift D, the 7, a 1. We have no 1, so we make 1. Shift D, 1. Then we need a 8, Shift D, 8. And 0, we need 2, but we can make it after that other. So we have that. Now we try directly to make it as the same size as we have it here. There are two different font types. We have here a font type here under text. There you can say which font type you want to have. It's regular, italic, bold, and so on. I think that is an Arial. Uh, we can try to get here an Arial um, font. So we go in C, there's Windows, there is System, one back, yeah. Fonts, where are the fonts? I know they are there, but here, fonts. So we need Arial. That is the best standard type that are there. There's on TTF. So we go to Arial. Now we have Arial MT, and yeah, that is better than the other. So we can scale it a little good. Now we plug first all this stuff on his place. Grab, scale down. That we make with all these numbers. Okay. 90. Grab, scale, position, grabbing, scale, position, grabbing. Okay. There we have a 0, but it comes on round stuff, so we'll let that like it is in the moment. We place them in the original size. So scale them down. Grab, scale, position. Okay, we have that. Then now there's one here on side. Same process. Okay. Good. So we've got that numbers that we need. Now we need other. We make it the size. Okay. Grabbing, scaling, grabbing, scaling. Good. Same here. Good. We have that. First save. Then you see we have LEDs here. So for that we need add mesh UV sphere. Uh, I think 24 is enough. So 24 segments. scale them down to that size. Go here and delete the back of the sphere because we don't need them. It's unneeded words. So we mark that and delete that. Okay, here is one, there is one, here, there. Good. Now we have this LED. We need much of them in different colors, so you see that. We give a smoothing on them. Then we extrude we mark the last loop and extrude that because it's an LED. They are formed so. Then we duplicate them, or we can, no, we duplicate them manually. You can take a ray for that, but we have different colors later, and I don't want to risk there some shit happens, so we do it manually. Good. We are good to go for that. Then we need the symbols must be made by hand. That means we build this one here. That means it's battery, and we take here mesh plane, rotate X 90 degrees, scale down, edit mode, delete all words, only one must be over that. Then we grab them and now paint the thing. So extrude to this point, up. You know what I mean. It's simple stuff. Nothing completely horrible. You can make it with a mirror if you want, then you only need to make one time. But for me, that's not important. Connect that, marked both with F. You can close that. Then we need here plane 2, rotate X 90 degrees, scale down, grab them, go here to these parts, take the down size, yes, mark that thing completely with L. You can mark this thing, then you can with X, only face. Now we have that. Good, we copy one point, Shift D to copy one point, extrude. Oh, yeah, we can make it so. Or you can take a plane and make that as eagle, it's the same. So we get a copy of that, Shift D, get them here, scale on the X, Shift D to duplicate, rotate Y 90 degrees, and we have the plus. Good. And all will be later very, very, very small. So we don't need to adjust it perfectly. You can do if you want. I make it only a little. Okay. And what I said, first press left mouse button on the axis, then hold shift, then you can tweak that perfectly. So if you want, do that all. I'm not the guy for that. Scale X0, with that you can always make some stuff even on the axis. That is in much things. Scale Z0 is here good. Then we have it straight. Here is the same. Scale Z0, so it's straight. Good. I think that's out of the middle. So better is that. Good. We have our. Oh, okay, that here we must clean. Scale Z0. Same here. That's good. 0. So, and here scale X0. And here to scale X0. Good. We are ready to go. That means we make here red. No, in the original, I think it's white. Yeah, we need a white material for that. That means we close that here with an F, but not inside. So we need to say here X only faces. And again, I think. Good, we go in front. We see there's something in the background. We must look at them. What is that? That is the completely back side. I think I know what it is. Only faces. Now it is open. Good. We first take here our thing there. Close it with F. Here same. Close it with F. Here same. Close with F. Good. Now we want to close this part here, so we need some connections. We can get to add selection, get this and this, close it with F. This and this, close it with F. You know what I mean? Good. Then we get this shit here and say F to close, and we done it. We give them material, we call it white. Yeah, white, white. It's white. Good. So we have that done. This object is ready to go. We place it where it should be. That is here. So we grab and scale down and position it. Okay. Next is here for the blinker. We say in German. I don't know the name in English. So we make here the same, add plane, rotate X90, scale down, edit mode, delete the 3 words, so we have 1 left, grab them to the start, extrude down, extrude down, and you see what we must do. It's simple stuff, nothing special. Good, after close. I try to make a copy, Shift D and scale down. And you see it will not really fit, but we can tweak them. So we grab that, grab that, grab that. Oh, that was wrong. I mean that. And this one here. So we have easy and fast, make it. It's, it's tweaking to make it perfectly. I hate tweaking. So, good. For me, that is okay. Other guys say, wow, a horror. But it is no horror for me. So, I close that with F. This part with F. And you can make it with all these guys here. Good. We need the same one for the other side, so we go in edit mode, mark all with A, Shift D to duplicate, rotate, set 180 degrees, and then we have it. Good. We take them, position them at the original grab, go in, grab, scale down, position. Good. Next is this oil can. The star is the same. Add mesh plane, rotate X90, scale down, delete the three words there, and start with modeling. So we extrude here, 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 here. You see what I do. Simple stuff. And thing on it, it not must be perfect. It's so little at the end, so nobody sees correctly. Is it real straight or not real straight? Scale X0, scale Z0, here same, scale Z0, go a little bit up. Okay, we have that, we have that, we have that, wonderful. So we make the inner part, so we copy one word, extrude, close with F, good, copy one word, Shift D, extrude, good, close up with F, good. Now, like before, we close parts of the model that we can close, and nearly all you can close all them, but not in one tag or so. That is most, you get many errors when you try to make it in one tag. So let your time to make that, and then it will have a good result. Have to close, have to close, ready. Good. Grab that to position, scale down, and place it there. Good. We save first time. Good. We see here the symbol for the light. So we must look where we have it. That is it. So we see that it's round stuff. For round stuff, we always, well, I always take Z curve, rotate X90 degrees, scale down, edit mode, go to the lines where we want to have breakpoints. That is, here's the start, and it should come here. So we tweak them, then we extrude it to this part, grab it, extrude from middle point, get outer point, and handle that. Good, we close it with F. Then we see how it looks. and it's like I said before, that must be perfect. So we take with Shift D that thing here, and now it's a curve, and we need to have a mesh. So with Alt C, you can convert that into a mesh. Now we have a mesh. Now we can take all and Shift D to duplicate them, scale down, and we have this symbol good. We can mark them both together, type space, search, and then bridge, edge loops, then it will be closed. That we have. We need only the stripes here, simple logic. Add mesh plane, rotate x90, scale down, scale an X, good, scale X, good. Shift D, duplicate them, bring them down, bring this build, this picture a little bit in the background so we see it all. Good. Then we make a copy of that one, make it a little bit shorter, such like that. Then we copy them, bring them down, bring them, copy in the middle, and tweak them down. We have good. Now we must join them together as one. So we have that, and that, and join them together as one. We have the symbol. Okay. Place them on the place where it should be. Scale down. Ready to go. Good. We see we have an oil can there too, so make a copy, Shift D, place it. Good. Then we have some text there, so we add text, rotate x90, decrease, rotate x90, okay, scale down, and type in what's there. I'm from Germany, there is kilometer, so km. If you're from other state, you type in what you have there. Shift D, that is kilometer per hour, so per hour, okay. Here is the kilometer. We can take from here and put it there. Then we have the 100 there, so we copy them, scale them down, grabbing, okay, editing of one things. Oh, sorry, we need to create. Yeah, good. So we have that. Then we need a Celsius. So we gotta create C for Celsius. Place it there, there. Okay. So what we need is here kilometer per hour. So make there a copy two, bring them there. Okay, we have that all. We say here we have a 100, so Shift D, copy, scale down. We have here to type text, so Shift D, tab, 1, min, X, good, grab, position. Good. We now have this two things there, and here is an LED, so we make a copy LED. Wonderful. Good. Shift save that all. Then we get this here. That means we take that and make a copy of that, Shift D. Then we P to separate selection. Now we have a single arrow and can rotate Y90, rotate Y 180, scale up, grabbing, scale on the X, a little bit in the set. So we have that too. You can make that perfect if you want. For me, that's okay. So then we have here lines. So what we do, we take here mesh plane, rotate x 90, scale in the X, such like that, scale in the set. So we have that, make a copy of that, Shift D, rotate Y 90 degrees. So we have the other two. Always care that it is in the front. Good. The same we need here. So we can Shift D, duplicate them, bring them to the line. Good. We have that. Then we must make this thing and the gasoline thing that is some round stuff. So we need to take Bezier curve for that. I make a pause in the moment. I come back to the next part soon. Uh, so I make a pause.